Hey there, Tactile Turn fans. I got this titanium standard bolt action pen, and I'm going to attempt to see if I can get one of these beautiful Mont Blanc's refills to work inside of it. Let's take a look and see if I can get that to happen. So the Tactile Turn website says that you got to trim the Mont Blanc insert refill about 2 millimeters. So let's check this out. They look about the same size, and I could see that maybe that's the 2 millimeters you got to trim. But what I noticed is this doesn't actually go through. Look at that. The G2 pen goes through no problem. Okay, but this Mont Blanc rollerball does not go through. So my guess is it's probably this section that we need to remove here, right? So I didn't do a great job, but I did manage to remove all that threaded section to make it more thin, to see if it'll go further down the front of the Tactile Turn end tip there. So let's take a look. Here we are back off the grinding wheel, and I'm going to see if this fits through now. It doesn't. What's going on? Can it even go this way? Okay. Looks like the pen tip itself, oh, it's cracking. But looks like the pen tip itself is too big. Uh-oh. What I'm going to try now is with this file, see if I can open up the hole, which will make it just a little bit fatter to get that Mont Blanc through. I'll be back in a few minutes when I'm done. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this helps. Doing it by hand didn't seem to do the trick. Put the file on my drill. So here we go. I'm going to reassemble it. And check out that beautiful Tactile Turn craftsmanship. What seam? It vanishes. And here's the test. Wow. Unbelievable. It works. No trimming. And there you have it. My own personal Tactile Blanc.